In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note to a module in your scenario. Adding clear notes to your modules is one of the simplest ways to make your scenarios easier to understand, maintain, and share with teammates. Whether you're documenting the purpose of a module, capturing important configuration details, or flagging edge cases, a short note can save you time later and reduce confusion for anyone reviewing your work. Start by opening your scenario. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see the canvas and all of its modules. Take a quick glance to ensure you're looking at the correct scenario version or branch you intend to document. If you've been away from the project for a while, scanning the module names and connections before you add notes can help you write more accurate, helpful context. Next, right-click the module you want to document. This brings up the context menu for that specific block. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. The key is to open the module's menu, not the canvas menu, so make sure you're clicking directly on the module's body. From the context menu, click Add a Note. This opens a simple editor attached to that module. Think of it like a sticky note that travels with the module wherever it goes in the scenario. You don't need to overthink formatting. The goal is clarity and brevity. A few lines are often enough. Now, type your note. Aim to capture the module's purpose, what inputs it expects, any important assumptions, and potential gotchas. You might include a brief description like, transforms incoming data to the required format, or, filters out records missing a required field. If the module has non-obvious settings, summarize them in plain language. Consider using lightweight headings such as goal, inputs, and edge cases to keep it scannable. Avoid putting sensitive information in notes, no credentials, tokens, personal data, or anything that shouldn't be shared. Instead, reference where secure details are stored if relevant. When you're happy with the description, click Save. Your note is now attached to the module and will be visible to anyone with access to the scenario. Many editors display a small indicator on modules that have notes, making them easy to spot during reviews. If you're documenting several modules, keep your phrasing consistent so the notes read like a cohesive guide across the scenario. That's all it takes. Open your scenario, right-click the module, choose Add a Note, type your message, and save. A minute of documentation now can prevent hours of guesswork later.